Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a what's in my bag video. The bag still hasn't changed, but the stuff on the inside has changed, so hopefully it's not, boring. Just getting everything situated here. Alright, so this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 35. So, let's just get started. Alright, so in the zipper pocket on the inside here, I have my 5 little Bibles from Amazon, and that's it. Moving on. Alright, so now for the main compartments. I have bag of hand sanitizer because I need to put these in the car, so I'll keep those out. I have my keys, my new lanyard. You guys saw this already if you watched my Disneyland haul. It has the princesses and their princes on it. Let's see, yeah, got this from Disneyland. Then I have my keys and whatnot. So I have my, this is like an alarm. It's also a flashlight. And my pepper spray. This SeaWorld keychain. I have a lot of keychains, hang on. This Be Still and Know That I Am God, Psalm 46:10. Keychain here. My mom gave that to me. This Proverbs 3:5. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Keychain. I think I got this from either Shein or Temu. And last but not least, pray about everything, worry about nothing. Philippians 4:6. Keychain, again from my mom's. So that's everything on my keychain. And I like this, it's cool. Alright, so there's that. And then, what else? I have my coin purse. It's getting kind of full. Oh, and I have my little library cards. But yeah, some change in it. Okay, and I have this little bag. The MTV bag, got it from Ross a while ago. So I have my date book that I need to put an appointment or write an appointment down in it. That makes sense. I have a Pachanga notepad, a Disneyland hotel notepad, and an Omni Hotel and Resorts notepad. And where's the other thing? I don't know where it is. I think it's up there, but I also have like the Disney Grand Californian notepad. I'm running out of room though in this, so I might not put it in here. I need to keep this out so I write it down. Okay. Then I keep my earbuds for my phone in here just because it's easy to keep them in there. Then I have a bunch of pens. Oh, here's a mechanical pencil. And then this is my newest pen. I got it whenever I ordered the wallet that you're gonna see. I got it from Purse Trippin'. She included this cute little pen. Here, I'll put this in here. It's pink and sparkly, and it says Purse Trippin' on the side. It has like a stylus on the top. So that's cute. That's really cute. All right, let me put some of this stuff back. Although I do need to write it down, but whatever, I can do it later. All right, then I'll talk to you about the rest of my pens. I know it's quite hot in some places of the country, so if you're in those places, or one of those places. I hope that you're keeping cool. Okay. So I have this Quality Inn pen. Get this out. This Doctors Without Borders pen. I'm apparently a pen collector. Disneyland Hotel pen. This unicorn pen. It has like pink and purple ink. I got this from Bates Nut Farm. The Omni Hotel and Resorts pen. This Bic pen with 4 different colored inks, and this Pachanga pen. I guess I didn't put it in my bag yet, but I have a pen from the Disney Californian Hotel, so I'll have to look for that and put that in with the rest of them. Alrighty, let's go through my makeup bag. Actually, let's not. I'll wait to do that later. So this is my newest makeup bag. I mean, it's a makeup bag, but I'm not using it for makeup. But this is from Vampire Freaks. It's a website. I got a lot of stuff from this. I think this is called Malice in Wonderland, like Alice in Wonderland. And I also like it because the lining is pink. You guys know I love pink. So this just has like my essentials in it. So I have Tylenol, a bunch of lens cleaning wipes, just because, like, you know, my glasses, they get dirty so easily. There's hair. Sorry about that. I have a hairbrush in here. A hairbrush. This is a wet brush. I got this from CVS. Some Tums Dramamine little face razor, toothbrush, toothpaste, flosser, and then my mouth spray, tissues, atomizer, pad, mini sewing kit, Band-Aid, hair tie, tampon. It looks like this because this, hang on, the bathroom at the Californian hotel had free pads and tampons. So I took some of each, a couple of each. Okay, let me get the rest out, just so it's easier for me to hold this stuff. So I have mini, or not a mini, but an extra earring, earplugs, hand sanitizer, and I think the last thing is mini deodorant. Yeah. So, okay, I think that's everything. Let me put it back real quick. Oh boy. All right. This just came in like a hotel room. It's pretty cool. Is that everything? This out a little bit, but yeah, this is a cute little hairbrush. All right. So yes. Alrighty. Then I have my wallet. This is the wallet that I got from Per Shippin'. It's by Juicy Couture, and it has one. It has the double zipper. One just has like a little thing, and then the other zipper has a heart that says Juicy on it. So on one side it just has this. I don't have anything in this part yet. Then the other side is the place where you put cards. So there it is. It's so cute. I love it. And this part is like fuzzy. I love it. All right, now for my makeup bag. I think that's it. Oops. Grab it. Yeah. So this I got at Disneyland. I think I'm gonna take this off because it's kind of takes up space in my bag. If I'm not, well, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I got this at a gift shop at the Disneyland Hotel. See if I can do this. It lights up. Let me see. This might take too long. It's not even that worth it. But okay. Maybe you can see it, but it's yeah. It lights up. Okay, now I'll get into what's in here. Okay. You can use this as a wallet if you wanted to, because it has card slots. All right. So in here I have my face powder, which I don't really use, but it's by Physicians Formula in Buff, I guess. I keep almost dropping it. I don't know why, but it looks like that. Comes with the powder puff. This one I wore to Disneyland. It's the Marie Claire matte liquid lipstick. I love it so much. It's such a nice pink color. And it lasts a very long time. So it's good to wear to a place like Disneyland, because you don't have to worry about it coming off or anything. Okay, this Marilyn Monroe eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild. I got this from Amazon. I don't know why I'm shaky. Sorry about that. Okay, and then what's this? Fit Me Maybelline blush. My Sephora mirror. Ring sizer from Temu. Put some of this up on my bed. NARS lipstick in whatever that is. But it looks like this. It's a nice color. All right. Then I have, this is like technically an eyeliner pencil. It's by Sigma, but I want to use it for like as a lip brush. And I have this Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. Okay, let me get stuff out. Just so it's easier. Okay, then I have some Q-tips in there as well. I'll put some of the stuff back. Sorry, you guys. Bear with me here. All right, because the rest is, no, that's not true. Okay. So this is just a little mini NARS mascara. This is their Climax mascara, sample of it. Then the rest is, I keep lying to you guys, sorry, that's not true. This is an eyeliner by e.l.f. matte liquid lips, no, not lipstick, eyeliner, sorry. Okay, now the rest are lipsticks. I have 6 of them. All right, so this one, here. I wish I had like a table to put this stuff on, but I don't. It'd make it a lot easier. I'll just put it in my shirt. This is, what is this? This is by Rimmel. It is a Heather Shimmer. Looks like this. Then this one, it's the Black Honey by Clinique. Looks like this. Okay, and then 225 Rose Wine by Revlon. This is probably like my second most worn. This is my most worn. And then Victory Red by Besame. It's a really gorgeous red color. And this is Siren by Revlon. I'll show the name. And then last but not least is Rum Raisin by Revlon. Here's the bottom of it, or the name. Yeah, like I said, this one here. This one's my favorite one. Just pink. And then this one, Rose Wine. It's so pretty. Like, I mean, I don't want to put it on, but it's showing up as more like orangey tone and or on the camera than it is in real life. But it's a very nice color. Sorry, my hands are dirty for some reason. Alright, so that's everything in my makeup bag. And that's everything in my purse as well. Oh, I don't think I showed you guys my pins on the board. So I got this cork board from Amazon. Put my pins on it. So there they are. Finally got a place for them. Okay. There we go. Alright. So I bought some things. So I'll probably do a haul once I get everything. I've got some of the things I bought. But I don't want to do like more than one video when I can just do it all at once. So like I said, I'll do a haul once I get all the things I ordered. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.